Imagine embarking on a journey towards better health, where every bite you take propels you towards a more vibrant, energetic, and fulfilling life. This is not just about eating. It's about nourishing your body with the best foods the planet has to offer. In this journey, you'll discover the healthiest foods that should be a staple in your diet. These foods are your companions, each with unique powers to boost your health, prevent diseases, and make you feel amazing. Call to action. Join us on this journey by committing to incorporate these superfoods into your daily routine. Your body will thank you. Rule 1. Leafy greens, the powerhouses of nutrition. Spinach, the iron-rich leaf. Spinach isn't just Popeye's favorite for no reason. It's loaded with iron, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. These nutrients help boost your immune system, improve your skin health, and provide you with lasting energy. Meet Sarah, a busy mother of two, who always felt fatigued. After incorporating spinach into her smoothies and salads, she noticed a significant boost in her energy levels and a glowing complexion. Kale, the nutrient-dense superstar. Kale is another leafy green that deserves a place on your plate. Packed with vitamins K, A, and C, calcium, and powerful antioxidants, kale helps in bone health, skin repair, and reducing inflammation. John, a fitness enthusiast, found his workouts more effective and his recovery times shorter after adding kale to his diet. Call to action. Try adding a handful of spinach or kale to your next meal. Whether in a salad, smoothie, or sautéed as a side dish, these greens can transform your health. Rule 2. Berries, nature's sweet antioxidants. Blueberries, the brain boosters. Blueberries are small but mighty, packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which improve brain function and memory. Emma, a student, noticed a significant improvement in her concentration and memory after snacking on blueberries during her study sessions. Strawberries, the heart protectors. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, folate, and antioxidants that help in reducing cholesterol and improving heart health. Tom, who had a family history of heart disease, started eating strawberries regularly. He experienced better heart health markers during his annual checkup. Call to action. Incorporate a mix of berries into your diet. Add them to your morning cereal, yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. Rule 3. Nuts and seeds, tiny titans of nutrition. Almonds, the protein powerhouses. Almonds are an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. They help in weight management, heart health, and skincare. Lisa, who struggled with weight loss, found that snacking on almonds helped her stay full longer, leading to a healthier weight. Chia seeds, the omega-3 rich seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, which help in reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and sustaining energy levels. David, a marathon runner, incorporated chia seeds into his diet and noticed improved endurance and faster recovery times. Call to action. Start incorporating nuts and seeds into your snacks and meals. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to smoothies, or enjoy a handful as a healthy snack. Rule 4. Fish, the omega-3 giants. Salmon, the heart-friendly fish. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health, reducing inflammation, and improving brain function. Michael, who had high cholesterol levels, included salmon in his diet twice a week. His cholesterol levels improved significantly over a few months. Sardines, the bone builders. Sardines are packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3s, making them excellent for bone health and overall wellness. Nina, a post-menopausal woman, strengthened her bones and reduced her risk of osteoporosis by regularly eating sardines. Call to action. Incorporate fish like salmon and sardines into your weekly meals. Grill, bake, or add them to salads for a nutritious boost. Rule 5. Whole grains, the sustainers of energy. Quinoa, the complete protein grain. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Amy, a vegetarian, struggled to find enough protein sources. Quinoa became a staple in her diet, providing her with the necessary protein and keeping her energy levels stable. Oats, the heart-healthy grain. Oats are high in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Brian, who had borderline high cholesterol, started eating oatmeal for breakfast. His cholesterol levels dropped, and he felt more energized throughout the day.
Call to action.
Add whole grains like quinoa and oats to your meals. Enjoy quinoa in salads or as a side dish and start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal.
Rule 6. Vegetables, the colorful nutrient reservoirs. Broccoli, the cancer-fighting veggie.
Broccoli is rich in vitamins K and C, folate, and sulforaphane, a compound known for its cancer-fighting properties. Karen, with a family history of cancer, incorporated broccoli into her diet.
She felt reassured knowing she was consuming a food that could help reduce her risk. Sweet potatoes, the beta-carotene boosters.
Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, essential for vision and immune health. Jake, who struggled with night vision, noticed an improvement after regularly consuming sweet potatoes.
Call to action.
Make vegetables like broccoli and sweet potatoes a part of your daily diet. Roast them, steam them, or add them to soups and stews.
Rule 7. Fruits, the natural sweets. Avocados, the healthy fat source.
Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various nutrients that support heart health and weight management. Emily, who struggled with weight management, found that adding avocados to her meals kept her satiated longer, aiding in her weight loss journey.
Apples, the fiber-rich fruit.
Apples are high in fiber and various antioxidants, making them great for digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases.
Robert, who had digestive issues, started eating an apple a day.
His digestion improved, and he felt more comfortable throughout the day.
Call to action. Include a variety of fruits in your diet.
Snack on apples, add avocados to your salads, and enjoy the natural sweetness they offer.
Conclusion. Embrace the power of healthy eating. Your journey towards better health starts with the choices you make every day. By incorporating these healthiest foods into your diet, you're not just eating. You're nourishing your body, mind, and soul. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to improve your health and well-being. Final call to action. Commit to making healthier choices today. Share this article with your friends and family to inspire them to join you on this journey towards a healthier, happier life. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.